Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do for creating and managing your grocery shopping list. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to todo.office.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your lists and can sync them across your devices, making your grocery planning much more convenient. After logging in, you'll see your main to-do dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New List. Go ahead and click on it. This creates a dedicated space for your grocery items, keeping them separate from your other tasks and making them easier to manage when you're at the store. Now you'll see a field where you can name your list, type in something like grocery shopping list, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. Naming your list clearly helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple lists for different shopping trips or categories. Next, you'll notice an option that says Add a task at the top of your newly created list. Click on it and type in your first grocery item. For example, you might start with milk. After typing it in, press Enter to add it to your list. This simple process makes building your grocery list quick and straightforward. Now repeat this process for all the items you need to purchase. Just keep clicking Add a task, typing in each grocery item, and pressing Enter. You can add as many items as you need, whether it's just a few essentials or a full week's worth of groceries. Once you've added an item, you can assign a due date to it by clicking on the task. This feature is particularly useful if you need to buy certain items by a specific date, like fresh produce or ingredients for an upcoming meal. You'll also notice a star icon next to each task. Click on it to mark that item as important. This helps prioritize items you absolutely can't forget. After you've set your due date and importance, hover your mouse over the item you just added. You'll see several options appear, including an information icon. Click on this icon to access more detailed settings for that particular grocery item. In the detailed view, you'll find an option labeled Remind Me. Click on it to set up a notification that will alert you when it's time to buy that item. This ensures you won't forget important purchases even when you're busy. You can also add a note in this section if you need to remember specific details, like a preferred brand, quantity, or where to find the item in the store. And that's it. You've successfully created a grocery shopping list in Microsoft To Do with reminders and important details for each item. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.